Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Watts, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay, so in this Instagram tutorial we're gonna learn how to make a group chat on Instagram on Android or iPhone in 2019. So I'm using an Android, but this should work on iPhone as well. So first we're gonna go to Google Store or App Store and just update Instagram, so you're in tune with this tutorial. So search for Instagram, then click on update, and after that go to open. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the top right corner and click on this icon. Make sure that you are in the home view in the bottom left corner, and then go to the top right corner, click on the icon, or drag the screen to the left like this. So I'm gonna click on the top right corner like this. Okay, so now we're gonna add a group chat. So to do this, let's go to the top right corner, click on this plus sign, and now we're gonna add all the members we want to have in our Instagram group chat. So I'm gonna choose my own account, and now we can add a message. So this message gonna create a group, and all the members within the group will see this message. So just add a good message, why people are invited to this group. Okay, then click on send. Okay, so sometimes you can add a group name right here. Otherwise you can just click on the three dots under these profile images, and now you can see right here that we can change the group name. If this is the first time you're gonna create this group, you're gonna see all the members, so just delete all the members, and after that just add a group name. Just add a group name of your choice, then click on done. You can also choose to mute messages, mute video chats. You can add members right here. Just search for members and add them to the group. Alright. You can also leave conversation. You won't get messages from this group unless someone adds you back to the conversation. Okay. So now you can just add messages and talk to each other. And if you want to do video calls, you can just click on the top right corner on this video icon, and this will start a video call with the people in the group. I don't know exactly how many you can be in this call, but you can check that out and maybe leave a comment about that. Okay, so if I go back, I will see the group right here. So 5-star group with the members right here. And if you want to delete this Instagram group chat, just click on the group chat and hold in, and you will get this settings. So you can click on delete to delete this group like that. So now you have deleted your Instagram group chat. Okay everyone, so this is how you can make a group chat on Instagram on your Android or iPhone in 2019, and I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want, you can leave a comment below if this worked or not. You can also subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Just click on this image. Alright, and let's go to the next video. Just check out my latest video right here. Alright, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.